2017 Ford F-250, another off-road truck from Long MacArthur Ford. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at Long MacArthur Ford, your off-road truck dealership in the middle of Kansas here. And this truck, we call it the Ultimate Super Duty. I think you're going to find out why. We base it off that Platinum Edition truck, so you're going to have all that equipment with the Platinum Ultimate package, which we're going to talk about in just a little bit, and all the features on that. Plus, over $42,000 in off-road truck adds to this vehicle, not only just appearance but also performance, not only for the engine as well as your suspension. So I think you're going to find this is a one-of-a-kind truck. So if you're looking for that one-of-a-kind truck, this is it. First, let's talk about what the truck was built off of. And we ordered this in the Platinum Edition truck, which is a beautiful truck in itself. It's in that white platinum tri-coat paint color, so 3 coats of paint was put on that, so really thick, rich white color on the vehicle. Also, we put in the Platinum Edition, you're going to have those power deployable running boards helping you get in and out. It comes in real handy with this lifted up truck. And don't forget these nice multi-contoured front seats. They are premium leather seats with heated and cooled seats. And the multi-contoured means you're going to have those massaging seats. Heated seats in the back as well. Don't forget it's going to have your Sync 3 system with the navigation with pinch to zoom capabilities. Also, it's going to get your Bliss with cross traffic alert, and that's your blind spot monitoring system that also works for your trailer. So it extends the blind spot for your trailer as well, which is great. That's new for 2017. So that's included with this package. Also has an FX4 off-road package, as well as we added the Platinum Edition, that Ultimate package put on this vehicle, which is going to get you the twin panel moonroof, which is also new for 2017 on your Super Duties. Also, you're going to get your lane keeping system, which not only just helps you keep give you some alerts, but also helps assist you and keep you within that lane. Your adaptive cruise control with that collision warning, so it'll help you set it, and if you come up behind somebody, it's going to automatically slow you down to go their speed. Also, 360-degree camera. So this does have not only 360 degrees, so you can have a camera on the front and the back and the side mirrors, so you can see all the way around you as you're moving and moving the vehicle around, but also has the Ultimate trailer tow camera system with the camera on top of the cab. So if you're pulling that fifth wheel or gooseneck into the back of the bed there, you're going to be able to see all the way in. You won't need anybody to help you with that, and you can hook up your trailer that way. So it is the Ultimate when it comes to all the features with this truck. So it does have a sticker price of $77,000 from Ford, and then we added some really nice features. A couple of those here on the interior I want to talk about real quick before we talk about those exterior features. One of the things that we did was we upgraded. This did have the wood grain finish. We did have these wraps put on it here on your door panels. Also on the console panel here, so you can have that. It's a matte black finish, so just really kind of dresses it up, gives it a nice black look throughout the vehicle. Also, carbon fiber appliques were put on it all throughout the vehicle, as you can see across the dash, around your vents, around your console, even on some of your door trims, the interior door trim, as well as around your switches there. So real nice finish to the interior here. Also put the nice Ford, or the all-weather mats in here too, the Super Duty brand, the Ford OEM ones here in the footwells for the front seats, plus the mat that goes clear across the back seats back there. Let's take a look at the front first. We did replace the factory hood with this RK Sport Ram Air hood with the functional vents painted to match. So again, that white platinum tri-coat. So 3 coats of paint were put on the hood to match the rest of the body. We also put our XPEL Paint Protection on the hood, as well as on your bumpers and your headlights up here to protect the front of it from rock chips. And then we have a really nice T-Rex brand Torch AL series black mesh grill here with the aluminum 2-bar grill. Just looks sharp. They also incorporated the curved 30-inch LED light bar as well. So great look there on the grill, and I love this X metal look to it with the bolts. I think it just gives it a nice tough and aggressive look there. Also in the bumpers, you're going to see some Rigid brand light bars as well. We have an SR series there in the middle, a Pro bumper LED light. And then for your fog lights, they're going to work with your fog light switch. We have these Q series, these Pro LED lights for your fog lights. So 2 on each side, and real nice way to just brighten up the road there. And the light bar here on the grille, as well as the front bumper, will be controlled with those upfitter switches. Let's take a look at the side over here. We did want to get some nice wheels on this, so we do have these Moto Metal MO 962 series 20-inch chrome wheels on this. Also, these are nice Pro Comp off-road tires. It's an Extreme M2 series off-road tires. They are 37 by 12.5. So real nice big tire to help you out with those all-terrain tires, of course. And we did, I don't know if you could see through the wheel there, but we did add the Ford brand red brake calipers on all 4 of the brakes. So give it a nice look and pop to the side of it there. Also, we added the fender flares. Of course, having those big aggressive wheels, we wanted to have some nice fender flares, so you added those painted to match fender flares. So remember, this is that white platinum tri-coat paint color, so it was painted over 3 coats of paint were put on each of those fender flares there. Also, we do put that XPEL Paint Protection on the fender flares to protect it from those rock chips, the front as well as the back, and then put some undercoating under here to protect it underneath from rock chips as well. And then you'll notice the clearance lights. We took off the factory clearance lights and put those smoke look clearance lights up there to give it that nice aggressive look up there. And then we upgraded the Stampede window deflectors up here instead of the Ford OEM. So the Stampede is a really nice brand and a good company there with some nice window deflectors on it. And then we also put front window tint on this as well. Now here in the back we did a few things as well. You're going to see the custom painted applique back here, so we did black out the platinum wording as well as those lines above and below. So great look here on this back of the truck here. Also, don't forget from the factory you're going to have the power release for your tailgate as well as just going to have your tailgate step, so it makes it a little bit easier to get in and out of the truck. Now we also added this Pace Edwards bed cover here, so real nice bed cover. It actually does power, so we just hit the remote here and it's going to power it back right into it, rolls up real nicely. That comes in real handy with this lifted up truck, makes it a little bit easier. I'm about 5'10", so you can tell it's going to be a little bit harder to be able to move that back, so that's going to come in real handy. Also, we're going to have this Amp Research brand bed extender here, so real nice. Even has a latch that can go right into the latch for your tailgate and lock it into place, so that way it won't bump even on those roads. You can keep it down, which is going to be good. Also, we have a Sportliner by Bedrug in here. So as you can see, looking throughout it, we did cut out for the LED lights, the bed lights as well as your box links are bolted in over the Bedrug. So real nice finish on that as well. A couple things here in the back that make it a little bit nicer. Let's talk about the exhaust system we put on this truck. It is from MBRP. It is their newest exhaust system. It is a 4-inch exhaust system, single pipe, high strength steel on this. So it's going to be really good quality of steel with the 6-inch exhaust tip. So it has a great sound, as you can tell. We also added some AFE parts here inside the engine. One of them we added was the ProPack cold air intake. So I think you're going to really love this cold air intake. It's going to allow cooler air to flow into the engine, making it perform even better, giving it a boost of horsepower as well as torque. And then we also added the intercoolers. So we have the hot as well as the cold tubes there, and they're bigger, so they're going to have more fluid to come through there, as well as they even have aluminum fittings to go along with that. We also added this AFE power fuel system. It's an air-water separation system that improves fuel flow. It includes a high-efficiency fuel filter as well as a water separation bowl. Now, its main job is to improve the fuel quality, throttle response, and drivability, but it's also been told to increase the horsepower as well as torque. We also added these AFE Fend heavy-duty transmission pan, engine oil pan, and front and rear differential covers. Now, they are cast aluminum with reinforced ribs for maximum strength and protection for the off-road driving. Now let's talk about the lift kit and suspension system we put on this truck. It is the BDS brand that was made for the 2017 Ford Super Duty. Now it is going to handle any abuse that you might want to decide to put this through. It has a 4-inch lift kit that coilover radius arm suspension system. And up front here it has a pair of heavy-duty replacement radius arms that are supplied to correct caster, improve ground clearance, and offer strength. Now these arms are formed inward to allow for additional clearance for these oversized 37-inch tires. They have rubber bushings to minimize road vibrations, and they work with the Fox 2.5 series remote reservoir coilovers there that are adjustable. Now these coilovers are set for the correct weight for the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. It also has a track bar drop bracket to recenter the front axle for improved handling. Also, we have a pair of sway bar relocation brackets, bump stop extensions, brake line relocation brackets, Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks, and upgraded steering stabilizer with mounting brackets. In the back, we have the 5-inch fabricated block with the integrated bump stop wing to level the stance with matching Fox 2.0 Performance shocks. As you can see, this is the biggest, baddest truck we've ever built here at Long MacArthur Ford. That's why we're calling it the Ultimate Super Duty. So if you're looking for a one-of-a-kind truck, this is probably it. Look no further. So if you're interested in this truck, you can give us a call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031. Also, browse our inventory, longmacarthur.com. We have other off-road truck inventory here at Long MacArthur, so you can check it out online. Just click on that off-road truck inventory there, and you can see the different packages that we can create, as well as we're a Roush dealer, so you can see some of the Roush trucks too. And if there's something you want to create and you already know what different parts you want put on it, we can have that done as well. We do a lot of different customizations for our customers here at Long MacArthur, so I think you'll really appreciate that. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next one, we'll see you later.